Today's video is for all of you people who are ready to move into your van because we talked about that last time, but you don't know what to do. I have found a perfect place for you to be looking for your first trip out. That's what we're going to talk about in today's video. So, hang on. My name is Pam. I live in a van. This is Matrix. He lives in the van with me. We've been in a van, or I have, for almost 6 years now. Matrix is 1.5, so he's only been with me for 1.5 years. Right, baby? But anyway, I'm 71 years old, going to be 72 in a few minutes, and this is our story. I hope you can hear me okay, because it's a little bit breezy out here today, but that's okay. I'll take the breeze for what's going on over here. So let me tell you why this is a perfect place for somebody who is just starting out. It's a campsite, but it's free. It's got picnic tables, we got toilets, bathroom up there. A couple of the sites have electric and water, but I'm sure you have to pay for those. But there's a big boat ramp down there, and there are a few other people here. So if you're a little bit nervous about going out into the wild, then this is a perfect place for you, because there's not much around, but there's enough so that maybe you'll feel safer. Let me show you around. The boats. This is a dam. This is a causeway. You can see if there's this is a road up on the top of that, but I'm not sure if you can see that without a car going by. But there are not many cars, so that makes it even more remote. So as you can see, it is remote, but there are enough things around to make you feel comfortable. As a matter of fact, on this particular reservoir, there are 4, 5, maybe 6 campsites like this. They're all free unless you want the electric and the water. And I also saw a dump station on the way in. We are about 4 or 5 miles from the nearest town. If you could look over my shoulder here, but you probably can't see, but way over there, I can see the town. I can see the water tower and a few of the buildings. It's got a subway and a couple of gas stations and a tattoo parlor, you know, all the important things. And then about 15 or 20 miles away is a town that's got like 11,000 people in it, so it's got a McDonald's and that kind of thing. And then about 45 minutes away, which is where I came from, is a city and has all the amenities and so forth there. So it's, like I say, it's remote, but it's not scary remote. So I think that you should do this. Now, if you want to find one, go to NPS, the National Park Service, and search for national recreational areas. Many of them will have the same kind of amenities that you have right here, and I have right here. You can also try some wildlife preserves and those kind of things you can stay at as well. And some of those do have designated spots, and there may be other people around. Now, if you're like me, this is a good place. It's a good place. I like this place. But I really like going way out in the boonies too. And you'll get to that once you get comfortable staying in places like this, which is a far better place than Walmart. Thank you for watching this episode in my Dream to Drive series, and this could be the first outing that you have in your van, and that would be awesome for you. And I'd love to hear in the comments where your first outing was, if you went somewhere already or you went somewhere else. The link to my Dream to Drive series is, of course, in the description below, so you can watch the rest of the episodes to know how we got from there to here. And in addition to that, there's an opportunity there for you to book a one-on-one van life strategy session with me to make sure that you have everything in place. I have some experience in this. Almost 6 years now. I looked the other day, it was 2,135 days I've been living in a van, so I do know a couple of things. And then there's a whole lot of things I don't know. But anyway, that's it for today, and I will see you again in my next video. Dream to Drive series comes out on Tuesdays, and my other videos come out on Fridays. So anyway, till next time, peace.